morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. And honestly, I never know to make that reach back down for the farmwood side. I do some rectification work down here, and so far so good. But let me tell you something. Stop complaining about no houses. A house can't do me, can, man. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Follow me and don't complain. You guys know what this is and what this is? So this is a distribution box. This is a septic tank. So from the house now, it comes to the septic tank, will lead to the distribution box. We have a tile field. What else they call it? Which other name they give it? I don't remember right now. But it has, this is a distribution box. We have like four pipe, perforated pipe. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. We slowly, you know, soak away in the soil. Up there, so now, I see people that movie, me that show you how when they're down on rocks now, you don't know if it's soak away. And like this have so much amount of soil up there, so like pure stone. But you don't know if it's soak away and you just have pure stone. You build something called a reed bed where you plant reeds, you know. For your reeds, you know, kind of purify water, like, and kind of eat up like a bacteria and then look at thing there. Yeah, so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. Wow. Jeez, you guys probably grew up right now, finished college, finished university, finished all high school. I'm still no upload. But guess what? I'm here again. Ta-da! Yo, I don't even know if I tell them a story. Like, a lot has been happening, and I don't know, my filming can't keep up to the pace of how things are going. And I don't know, YouTube, sure know how it's going. Woo! Sure know. Pull up this morning, Black's not there. But me just see that open. Where is Blacks? Let's see what we got. Oh, you don't see it? Jeez. I agree. Let me say what we come this morning.
This morning?
Yeah.
You know come in here,
yeah.
You don't understand that what?
Yeah, see me there. I'm coming back, I'm in the left, I said. Yes, I'm in jail.
And you come in the left?
Probably come in the left.
In the left?
Man, left.
Me as a line on them, man.
Oh, come see this and lock up, man, say, you're not there. So I say, I'm going to hold it, but me, the door, this is long enough for me, I say, yo.
Oh, making a actual good of you do by one team.
Oh. Why man the master? Go ahead, from the side up there for your face. Alright, man, shoot some photon in the circle. Alright. So go on. Hold on, I'm showing you building. So boom. 1 bedroom. All done. I don't know where I left off with you guys. I think I left off at cast and a decking. Jeez. I'm gonna miss you. Guys, I never tell you about I bought this truck. I had it for like a week or 2, and now I'm selling it. Pop my stuff to my guy wait for me right now. I ain't no rush to go meet him. Oh boy, it's too much for me. Jeez. Mitsubishi L200. This is a 06. This is my baby. This is my baby. Manual. You guys didn't even know that I could drive manual. But this is my baby. You know, she wanted a little TLC, but I didn't have enough time, you know. Give her that TLC she required. Had a smash glass right there. Everything. She drove like a beast. You know. A little TLC, you know, with nights out. But she has 344,000 kilometers on the dash, and you know, it's that overall engine time, and I don't want to bear that strain, that pressure, you know. So she's going. This is a very sad moment in time. Oh crap. I have the party around here, so I ain't worried about none. It's too much to bear, too much to bear. I'ma miss you, truck. I wasn't even with her long enough to like give her a name. Here, I think she qualified for the name Betsy right now. You know, it's a 06 old truck like, and I'm gonna miss her. But did I plan for like have like a reveal date for show you guys the truck, but that not gonna come. They wanna go before all of that. Ready? Better ready. Sentiments.
You ready to go?
Yeah, yours to go on yours.
Jesus Christ. See, you're not even like by the door good and you always accuse me.
No, you missed the door like that for.
But that's just it too.
Still off me?
Yes.
Ready for your purr?
Look at him horn. Ask him where him horn there.
I'm already showed him.
Honk your horn.
Miss me AC.
Oh, you say I already showed him?
Then show them that part there. I'm gonna miss my manual transmission. Even though the other car is still at home, but
Put on your seatbelt. I'm gonna need to put on mine.
see it first. She don't want to let go. She's just so.
Hey, you're on the brake. G's on peace.
Nice
The
to
Rock. Afternoon. Can put $1,000 low sulfur. $1,000.
Should never hear that before. Should never hear that before. Should never hear somebody put $1,000 in a diesel truck before.
This not good.
But I just make sure say guy can reach in yard, you know? One to listen, one can normally have $9,000 before listen. So $1,000 pointed to 5 feet like around the corner literally. So yeah. Jeez, you ready? You know, I should have bump. Ah, I love bump. Woo! Let's get it, boy. Alright, let me see what $1,000 does now. Ready? Big reveal. $1,000 diesel. Shit, nigga, let's move. No! Yeah, that move look a bit, man. Come here, my G. Point A to point B, courtesy of Ismash. So, guys, so in the next 5 minutes, this van will be sold. My pride and joy, you know, my first purchase, you know. That's sick. But for you guys, me never get to show nothing about the truck. But the truck actually fun. And for this video, like I hear my diesel purr. I love you, that's all. Anyways, for this video, I'm gonna do my last burnout, my final burnout tonight. When I see a lot of black smoke because, as we say, engine was overall. Ah! So I'm gonna for that. So, by the way, person who buy knows. Ready?
No. Jesus take the wheel.
Ready? Alright, pump it out.
3, 2, go. If we never saw the place, Smokey.
How was that?
It was amazing.
You know you don't like this something, but come on, we're sell a one. So we're gonna take a check now, see tight here.
Official.
Sad moment. Oh boy. Take come on. This. Oh, the insurance.
Take out your thingy.
Yeah.
Dash.
No, you can drive it.
No man. Insurance not your name.
God no, my chuck gun. So you go here, man. That day has come.
I left them, you know.
It's cool, man.
The load.
Alright, we keep in touch if anything.
We guide you on the way.
Alright, then go on the thing, as I make a video say goodbye, you know? Little memories. Not wrong? Gone. Gone, I know. Alright, later. Woo! So John and I sold the one. Cheers. Start over life, you know. God no. On to the next one.